In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly extract important details from your Notion pages and easily organize them into a table using Notion's AI features. If you often find yourself with long lists of information or notes and wish there was a faster way to pull out the key points and neatly arrange them, this video is for you. I'll walk you through a simple, step-by-step process to use Notion's AI tools to get your content sorted out in no time. Perfect for anyone looking to save time and get more organized. Let's get started by making sure you're on your computer with Notion open, since these features work best from the desktop version. First, go ahead and open Notion in your browser or the app on your PC. You'll need to log in with your account information if you haven't done so already. This gives you access to all your existing notes, databases, and pages. Once you're in, navigate to the specific page or database where you want to work. This can be any page that contains the list or blocks of info you'd like to organize. Maybe it's meeting notes, a research brainstorm, a to-do list, or even a collection of ideas. Take a moment to get to the spot where your information lives, or create a new page if you're starting fresh. Now click where you'd like the extracted table to appear. Place your cursor on a new, empty line. In Notion, this just means clicking below your existing content or wherever you want the output to go. Here's a neat trick. Pressing the spacebar on a new line will trigger the AI dialog box. You might see a message pop up asking how you'd like AI to assist you. Here's where the real magic happens. Start typing your prompt. For this example, type out something like, extract key details from this list into a table, then hit enter. Notion's AI will read the content on your page or in your list and begin processing it according to your request. In just a few moments, you'll see the results appear, usually previewed right in the spot you selected. The AI will suggest a table based on your original content, extracting the main points and organizing them into columns and rows. Before making it final, Notion will ask if you want to keep these results. If you're happy, just click Keep. Your new AI-generated table is now part of your page and can be customized further or moved as needed. And that's all there is to it. You've just made use of Notion's AI to quickly condense and organize information without manually creating a table from scratch. This is a great way to boost your productivity and keep your pages tidy with minimal effort.